This is the third part of our practice questions to practice the close project phase. Mr. Bean is a project manager working on contract. He performed earned value analysis and discovered that the project will be completed on time and under the original estimated amount. This means the profit to his company will decrease as well his personal bonus. Which of the following should he must do? Option A. Add activities to the project to increase the cost enough to meet the original estimated amount. Option B. Tell the customers that he is adding requirements to the project that were original cut because of cost constraint. Option C. Upon completion, inform the customer that the project has come in under budget. Or option D. Bill the customer for the full amount of the contract because this was the original agreed on price. And the correct answer is option C. Integrity means that the project manager will honestly report project outcomes to the personal, so the personal gain should not be placed above the satisfaction of the customer. Matthew McConaughey is a project manager for a manufacturing firm that produces Civil War era replicas. It discovers a design error during a test production run on his latest project. Time is critical constraint on this project. Which of the following is the most likely response to this problem? Option A. Reduced the technical requirement so that the error is no longer valid. Option B. Go forward with production and ignore the error. Option C. Go forward with the production but inform the customer of the problem. Option D. Develop alternative solutions to address the error. And the correct answer is option D. The best answer to this problem is to develop alternative solution to address the design error. Reducing technical requirements might be an alternative solution, but it is not one you would implement without looking at all the alternatives. Ignoring the error and going forward with production will result in unsatisfactory product for the customer. Please subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching.